Forever game crashing or not launching, fix. Issue, Forever keeps crashing on startup or gets stuck on a black screen. Step 1, restart your PC completely from Task Manager. Restart your computer before launching the game again. Open the game as administrator. Step 2, check minimum system requirements. Make sure your PC meets the game requirements. Check available RAM and storage space. Update your Windows version if outdated. Step 3, verify game files. Open your game launcher. Find the Verify Integrity of Game Files option. Let corrupted or missing files repair automatically. Step 4, update graphics drivers. Open NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel driver software. Download the latest GPU update. Restart your PC after installation. Step 5, disable background apps. Close Discord overlay and recording apps. Disable unnecessary startup programs. Turn off browser tabs running in background. Step 6, lower graphics settings. Start the game in low graphics mode. Disable shadows and motion blur. Reduce resolution temporarily for testing. Step 7, turn off antivirus temporarily. Some antivirus apps block game files. Add the game folder to antivirus exclusions. Reopen the game after disabling protection briefly. Step 8, reinstall DirectX and Visual C++. Download latest DirectX files. Install Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Restart your system after installation. Step 9, run game in compatibility mode. Right-click the game.exe file. Open Properties Compatibility. Select Windows 8 or Windows 10 compatibility mode. Step 10, reinstall the game. Uninstall Forever completely. Delete leftover cache or config files. Install the latest clean version of the game again.